popcorn, delicious, and it looks so cute. Here I have 3 small bags of popcorn. I use the microwave popcorn. You can pop your own if you like. I melted some more of the candy melts. I put the pink and the white. I have some M&M candies in the Valentine colors, the white, the pink, the red. And I also have some sprinkles if you choose to do that. I also have a cookie sheet ready to go. What we do for the popcorn is we're going to drizzle the candy. And then we're going to give it a good mix so that the candy gets all over the popcorn. Very easy to make. Not too expensive. You can adjust it however you like. We're going to give this a good mix before it cools. Because once it hardens, you cannot mix it. So I like to use the biggest bowl I have just to make it easy. And I'm going to pour in some of the white as well. I probably won't need all of it. This was hot. Okay, and then we give it another good mix. And you kind of have to work quick with this one. You know how pretty that starts to look already. Okay, just to make sure you coat the popcorn. Now we're going to switch over to our cookie sheet. We are going to just dump it all on there. Try to get it into an even layer. Before it cools, we're going to have to put the sprinkles and the candies on real quick. I like to use the sprinkles. As much or as little as you want. And then I like to put some of the M&M candies. And they will stick to the popcorn and to the chocolate, to the candy melts. It's not really chocolate. Look at how cute that looks already. And then I just take my spatula, move it around, try to get it even so that it dries. And then if you want to add some more, you add some more. That's totally up to you. I have these other sprinkles, so I'm probably going to add some of these as well. They're little hearts. I think that's it. I like to put a lot of candy. I mean, that's the whole thing with Valentine's. You know, all the sweet treats and everything. Okay, and that is it for this one. I'm gonna, look at how cute that looks. I'm gonna wait for this to harden up, and then I'm gonna show you how I package it. We'll be back. Alrighty guys, I have our popcorn back, and I'm gonna break it up. What I do is I just get a little spatula. You can even get a bench scraper, whatever you have just to scrape it up. If it does stick to the bottom. And then if you want to break it up, I don't like to break it up too much because I like for them to see, if you're going to give it away, I like for them to see the candy, and I hope you can see how cute the M&Ms and the sprinkles look on here. So I don't try to break it too much. Okay, so I just go around. You need to make sure that this dries up real well before you put it in a box, or you're going to have a mushy mess. I just sit it on the table and let it sit for a couple of hours and put a fan on it if you have to. Okay, and that's it. So these bigger pieces, I will break them up a little bit. And there we go. And then I get these little bags. I order them off of Amazon. You can get them Dollar Tree, the dollar store ones or whatever. And then I just start popping it in there. You put as much as you want. Make them look cute. Just like that. And then what I do is I get some tulle. I have some here. Or you can just get the little twisty ties, whatever you prefer. Or use both of these. Put the twisty on it. And then I get my little tulle just to make it look cute, you know. This is a real inexpensive little thing to give to the neighbors, the co-workers, your friends, your family. And there you go. Doesn't that look cute? That's a really cute gift. You can pop a little sticker right here in the middle with a heart if you want to, or just keep it like that. Real simple. So I'm going to do a few of these, and then we're going to finish up this video. you go. How cute is that? I would love to receive that. And I also have these real cute iridescent bags. You can put them in here. These are a bit thinner. Look at how cute that one looks. Lots of color. And there you go. Look at that. You can put a tag on it. Okay, guys, that's going to conclude the video for today. I hope you can take away something that you can use with your kids or family or whatever you decide to make for this Valentine's. I'll leave everything listed below that I used. Take a look there for any items. And don't forget, if you enjoyed it, thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.